So far, we have talked about low pitches and high pitches. We've talked about hertz. How fast is the sound vibrating? Faster vibrating sounds create higher pitches, lower and slower vibrating sounds create lower pitches. Now let's talk a little bit about how sound is defined, or the quality of the sound. For example, you hear my voice might sound different from your voice, even though we say the same words with the same notes. Just the way it sounds, the quality sounds different. So let's talk about the word tone. The word tone can be used interchangeably with pitch. So I can say, oh, that was a nice tone. Play another tone. There you go. That's another tone. Rarely used in the United States, more commonly used perhaps in Europe and the rest of the world outside of the United States. Tone also can mean timbre. Now, timbre is very interesting. Timbre means the quality of a sound. So the quality of a sound is what makes a sound unique from other sounds, or it's the color of the sound. So to understand timbre, we're going to listen to 3 different instruments play the same exact pitches in the same exact order at the same exact speed, but you're going to hear a big difference between those 3 instruments, and that's because of the timbre of the instruments. Here is example 33. We're going to listen to the violin. So the violin's a chordophone. The performer makes sound by bowing the strings or plucking the strings. The violin has strings, and it's sounded with a horsehair bow and has a wooden body. And this is the sound, or the timbre, the quality of the sound that a violin creates. That's the violin. Now, we're going to hear the same exact pitches played in the same exact order at the same exact speed, but this time by a saxophone that is an aerophone instrument, has a vibrating wooden reed. That's how the performer makes sound, is they actually vibrate a reed on top of some metal or some plastic. It's sounded with the performer's own breath and has a metal body. Let's hear how different the quality of that sound is going to be. So different. Same notes. Now let's listen to a piano, which is a chordophone instrument that is sounded by striking strings when a performer presses a key, and has a metal and wooden body. Oh, so different. So you can hear that all 3 instruments sound completely different from each other, even though they're playing the same pitches at the same speed in the same order. The way you can hear the difference between those sounds is the timbre, or the quality of how they sound. I will see you in the next lesson. Hey there, if you want to learn more about music theory, I highly recommend right now going to grab the 10 things everyone should know about music theory. It's a free download for you that you can get right now. There's a link in the description, also in the pinned comment below this video. So what are you waiting for? Go grab that thing, and I will see you in the next video.